Welcome to 1818 Farms. I'm the owner, Natasha McCrary, and spring is almost here. As you know, I love flowers. We have our anemones that are starting to come in here in late February. And what better way to celebrate spring with a new box called our Flower Lovers Gift Box. And this is packaged beautifully. It's ready for gift giving. This comes in a magnetic box with a beautiful ribbon. Love the blue for this. And then we're going to open it up and tell you a little bit about everything that's in this box. So you can just slip the ribbon off. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can untie, but the ribbon's just so cute. I hate to even take it off like that because it's, you need to save the ribbon in case you want to use the box for anything else. And then we're going to open it up. I'm so excited for you to see everything in here. So many things. So the first thing we have is going to be a botanical pressed resin art piece, and it's a keychain. This has a care card with it, and when you open it up, this is going to feature some of our celosia, and it has some of our Sweet Annie greenery. Just so cute to hang on to your kitties. Just a little piece of the farm here. And then, of course, as everyone knows, vinyl stickers are so popular now. This features our annuals that we grow in the summer. We've got zinnias. We're going to have celosia. We have also lysianthus, which is my favorite. These are great for water bottles, your car, laptops, just anywhere you love to put a sticker. They're waterproof. So really another great flower themed product. Also in here, we're going to have 100% cotton lavender tea towel. And we grow lavender for a lot of the different things that we use. And this is just really great. You can hang it in the bathroom, the kitchen. It's just very versatile. I love that it dries really well also. Then, of course, going on that lavender theme, we're going to have our bar of lavender soap. We're going to have our Lavender Shea Crème, which is our #1 seller. It's just shea butter, coconut oil, and then a little bit of a lavender essential oil. It's great on hands, body. It's always going to be your #1 moisturizer. It's just something you want to use every day. And then falling in the lavender theme, we've got to have a Cuticle Balm. The Cuticle Balm is a product we have that has the highest concentration of vitamin E, and it has carrot, calendula extract, olive oil, shea butter, and it's just great to use at night before bed when you put on your dried cuticles. And then finally, we have a Clover's LipSmack, which I always have in my pocket. I love the oval shaped container, so it fits, right in your pocket here, and just great to carry every day. Then for you guys who've been, following us for a while, we dry a lot of flowers, and in this product is our Botanical Wax Sachet. It's the flower truck scent. It smells just yummy, and it has dried flowers, and then it's placed into wax, and it's great for a closet, a drawer, or you can even put it in, I've had it in a powder room in a beautiful little piece of ceramic. And then we have flower confetti here, and then we're going to have yarn, our sheep's wool, the yarn here. So really a unique gift. And finally, I love the floating frame. It has our pressed flowers, and these are going to be flowers grown throughout the season. We've got larkspur, butterfly ranunculus, bee balm, a rose. We're going to have dahlias, some celosia, delphinium, and look how cute this is. So many places you could put this, and just so vibrant, and it'd be great for anyone who loves flowers. Like I said, this is live on our website now. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment to this video, or you can visit 1818farms.com. This item has actually free shipping, so in the United States, and it's a great for birthdays, anyone who loves flowers, or especially Mother's Day coming up. So I hope you guys are doing well, and just hope to hear from you soon.